Today's the 4th of July. Currently uploading, editing and uploading a video I made for my sister. Yeah, I made her video for her promotion. So I'm working on that right now. Not doing anything for the 4th, but yeah, I just wanted to get a little vlog in because I miss vlogging. Yeah, just eating ice cream, which is bad because I'm about to have lunch. Oh, and my sister made me a cute bracelet. Special guest, Carl. Say hey, Carl. Do you actually want to go on a walk? I'm kind of bored. So I guess we're not gonna go on a walk today. Yeah, we're watching Monsters University. Hi, Bubs.
Here's another party I didn't attend.
Yeah, so we can hear the fireworks for the 4th of July. No seeing any fireworks. You can't see them from here. We tried. Yeah. What do you mean?
How do I turn it on? Of the free and the home of the brave. Like, what would you rather be, emo or?
Never gets old. This will be creepy. And finally, the surprise team of the Scare Game. Let's hear it for
If anyone says that Monsters University is not the best movie in the world, you're lying. What do you think?
What?
About Monsters University?
I think it's better than emo.
Yeah, me too. When you're watching Monsters University, you're not sad over the boo thing, so it just feels better. Okay, we've moved on to Milan. Okay, guys, it's bedtime. We'll talk tomorrow. We had to cut Milan short because it's pretty late. It's almost midnight. Come say goodnight. Oh, jeez.
Ow.
What the heck? Good morning.
I'm sure you guys are familiar with the feeling of wanting to watch a movie but also not wanting to be unproductive, and that's me right now. So we're gonna journal and do my makeup as we're watching Cruella.
Good morning.
I don't think I vlogged at all yesterday. And I went to this birthday party to help out with like party meal cleanup. It was such a good environment to be in. It was like nice and relaxing, and it was just a beautiful time. I'm about to shower. It's hair day today, so you can tell my hair is crazy. I woke up, my little cousin slept over, and my little cousin Amy was like, whoa, your hair is crazy. And I was like, yeah. Here's our cousin sleepover aftermath. What do you think, baby? She's like, I don't care. And this is what we're dealing with. So we have this random bag of green slime right here.
Son tan inútiles, las noches que perdí.
So I guess the bank's going to be the next step, huh? The bank?
This is so cute. It's a little kid's washable makeup kit. Oh! Flop.
Yo pienso que no son tan inútiles las noches que perdí.
Please put this away. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi. I just wanted to take a moment because my mom's been putting plants in the house. I just want to look at them. Look at this one. This one's so gorgeous. I just love it. I love you, plants. I love you. These little babies over here. This one and this one. Failed slime is such a hassle. Like, what is this? So I finally got that shower in. I'm feeling a little self-conscious because I feel like the dress I put on, I feel like the colors don't really go with me. So I'm a little bit nervous about wearing it. Makeup for the day is all done. My mom came home with a bunch of flowers. I don't know what's up. I'm liking the vibes. Alright. I'm gonna make myself a matcha latte right now. It says add half a teaspoon. Today is beach day. We're gonna go to the beach. And then tonight I'm going home. It's an eventful day. I'd be lying if I said it didn't look a bit messy, but it's really good. We made it to the beach. Everything is ready to go.
I got some ice.
The sand is so hot, it's like burning hot.
It feels
be molten glass.
It kind of feels like fire. You can still feel it in the towel.
Let's see that makeup girl. Gorge. Miss Mermaid. Alright, my sister's been making this water path. It seems to be going alright. What? We're gonna go mini golfing probably.
I'm sweating so hard because I've been in the sun for a while.
How's your makeup doing, by the way?
We're dying in here and you're like,
I'm gonna switch over to my phone because I'm shy. He said hole in one.
oh my gosh.
They're all close to each other.
You jumped over the barrier? One time.
Nice one. I just showered. Our beach trip was a success. I just have to get ready to go home and I'm gonna drive down there, read Leslie's paper, go to bed. Tomorrow I work 2:30 to 6. Oh. The beach was nice. I didn't think I was gonna get in the water. I did not expect to get in the water. And I ended up getting in the water quite a bit. It was really nice. Definitely wanna do it again next week. We're all going mini golfing again. We made that plan for next week.
Look down.
I know, it looks hilarious.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm almost
Get
done.
up, this is my chair, this is my desk, now get up. Take this with you.
I'm gonna head home. We're driving home. Also, my sister made me this bracelet. I think I already showed you guys. But if I didn't, it just says D+A. It's me and my boyfriend. And then I have this one that his mom made me, which is just an A and a D. Cute. We got supporters. This was on my way home. I accidentally did the thing where I recorded in slow motion without realizing. But anyway, I got home and there was this fly trap that Leslie hung up with a cord, which I thought was super creative. I was honestly so impressed by it. So then I went on to open this package that I have been really excited about. It's actually kind of a funny story. My mom ordered me one of these. I didn't know that it was for me, so I took the package to her place and she decided that she really liked it, so she just ordered me a new one and kept the one I took. It's essentially just an ice container with built-in ice cube trays. The ice cube trays do have silicone at the bottom, which is super helpful. So I just went ahead and filled up those trays to get my first round of ice going. So I am gonna stop this video here. I really appreciate if you watched the whole thing. I had a lot of fun making this video and I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, I hope to see you next time.